Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamualaikum and good morning, everyone, and welcome to our forum for today on innovative incentive safety awareness. I'm Naif Habib bin Muhammad Azali, your host for today's discussion. We are excited to discuss how technologies are revolutionizing workplace safety for subjecting to AI and advanced safety equipment. Our goal is to understand how this tool can help prevent accidents, improve safety awareness, and enhance the overall safety culture in workplace. We have three fantastic panelists. First, we have Mr. Muhammad Ilyas Shafiq bin Muhammad Idris, a software developer specializing in safety application. How are you, sir?
I'm good. Glad to be here today.
Ladies and gentlemen, next we have Muhammad Amirul Hakim bin Sidi Ahmad, an AI machine learning expert focused on workplace hazard detection. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, and last but certainly not least, Muhammad Huzaimi bin Ramli, a representative from a leading company in manufacturing advanced safety equipment. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get started. Our first question is for you, Mr. Ilyas. We are seeing more safety software application being used in workplace today. Could you explain how these software tools contribute to enhancing safety awareness?
Thank you, Mr. Moderator. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Great question. Ladies and gentlemen, safety software have become an integral part of modern workplace. This application help with real-time hazard reporting, risk assessment, and compliance tracking. For example, in construction site, mobile safety app allow workers to immediately report unsafe conditions such as loose scaffolding or exposed electrical wires. This real-time data is then sent to supervisor, who can address the issue quickly. Another benefit is the integration of safety checklists. Workers can use app to follow checklists during tasks, reducing human error and ensuring that critical safety steps are not overlooked.
Thank you, Mr. Ilyas. It is clear that these software tools provide critical real-time data. Ladies and gentlemen, let us invite our second panel. He is Mr. Hakim. AI and machine learning are becoming essential in detecting workplace hazard. How do this technology predict or detect potential risks before they become dangerous?
Thank you, Mr. Moderator. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and thank you for our audience for coming today. First of all, AI and machine learning are powerful because they can analyze vast amount of data quickly and identify pattern that human might miss. For example, in manufacturing plants, machine learning algorithm can analyze sensor data from equipment to predict failure before they occur. Or sensor data from equipment to predict failure. A real-life example would be a machine part going down and showing abnormal vibration. AI can detect this and alert possible accident. AI can also be used to monitor workers' movement, detecting fatigue or risky behavior. This predictive analysis reduces the chance of accident by providing early warning.
Thank you. That's fascinating. Predicting hazard before they occur is huge advantage. Ladies and gentlemen, let us invite Mr. Huzaimi. The safety equipment has evolved significantly over the years. Could you share some of the advanced tools being used today to ensure worker safety?
Thank you, Mr. Moderator.
Welcome.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good question for you. Ladies and gentlemen, one major advancement is the development of smart wearable safety gears. For example, smart helmet are now being used in construction sites that have built sensor to monitor the worker's health. If the worker's heart rate is too high, or if they are exposed to hazardous gas, the helmet will send an alert to their supervisor. Another innovation, wearable exoskeleton, which help reduce the risk of musculoskeletal injuries by supporting workers' bodies during heavy lifting. Examples of this are being seen in factories where workers perform repetitive tasks. This tool not only improve safety but also increase worker productivity by preventing fatigue and injuries.
Thank you. Those are incredible examples of safety gear that integrate real-time health monitoring. Ladies and gentlemen, now Mr. Ilyas. We are seeing more safety software applications being used in workplace today. Could you explain how these software tools contribute to enhancing safety awareness?
Yes, certainly one key feature of modern safety app is hazard recognition in real time. For example, in industrial setting, our software integrates with environmental sensor to detect hazardous gas leak, extreme temperature, or unsafe air quality. The app immediately sends a notification to workers and manager, enabling them to take swift action. Additionally, our software uses machine learning to analyze past incidents, so it can predict where risks are more likely to happen based on pattern and condition at the site. This helps create a proactive safety culture, and employees are better prepared and can act before something escalates into a serious issue.
Thank you, Mr. Ilyas. It's clear that this software tools provide critical real-time data. Ladies and gentlemen, let us invite our second panel, Mr. Akil. AI and machine learning are becoming embedded in working hazard. How does this technology predict or detect potential risks before they Speaking of predictive tools, how do AI and machine learning fit into the wearable safety device that are becoming more popular?
AI and machine learning work hand in hand with wearable device to enhance safety in real time. For example, many smart safety vests are equipped with sensors that track the worker parameters such as heart rate, body temperature, and movement pattern. Machine learning algorithms analyze this data to detect any sign of fatigue or distress. If the worker is in an unsafe environment like a high-risk zone near heavy machinery or gas leak, the system can trigger an alert to both the worker and the supervisor. This allows for immediate action to be taken, preventing injuries or worse. A good example of this is the use of smart safety gear in mining, where workers are at high risk for both environmental and physical stress.
Thank you. It's great to see this system working together. Ladies and gentlemen, moving on to you, Mr. Kuzaimi. Could you give us an example of how safety equipment has saved lives or prevent accident in dangerous environment?
Thank you for the question. One example that stands out is the use of gas detection system combined with variable safety equipment in oil and gas industries. Workers in this environment are exposed to dangerous gas and hydrogen sulfide. Smart helmets along with gas detection sensors embedded in safety vests monitor air quality and can alert workers when gas level become dangerous. In a recent incident, this system detected a gas leak before it reached harmful level, preventing what could have been a fatal explosion. The safety system had evacuated workers in time, showcasing how integrated technologies can directly save lives. That's all.
Thank you. That's powerful example of how technology can literally save life in hazardous environments. Ladies and gentlemen, next is Mr. Ilyas. As we wrap up, what do you see as the next step for software application in workplace safety?
Thank you, Mr. Moderator. I think the future is integrating AI with safety software to make them smarter and more intuitive. We moving toward fully automated safety system that cannot only report issues but also suggest corrective action based on real-time data and historical trends. Additionally, I see more augmented and reality-driven use where workers can see hazard warning, safety tip, and guideline superimposed on their environment from smart glass or their mobile device. This kind of immersive safety experience will make safety training more effective and help workers stay alert to potential risks in their environment.
Okay, thank you. That's an exciting vision for the future. Ladies and gentlemen, to wrap up, I would like to thank all of our panelists today for their valuable insight on how innovative tools and technology are improving workplace safety awareness. From advanced safety wearable to AI-driven hazard detection and safety software, we have seen the future of workplace safety is incredibly promising. These technologies are helping to save lives, prevent injuries, and ultimately create safer work environment for all. Thanks to our panelists and our audience for being part of this important discussion. Before we end our forum for today, any question from audience?
I have a question for Mr. Ilyas. What does a software developer specializing in safety application do?
Thank you for the question. A software developer specializing in safety application create tools and systems that help business monitor and improve safety in the workplace. They design software that can track workers, help detect hazards, and automate safety process.
Okay, have any next question?
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Razin and I ask some question to Mr. Akif.
Yes, ma'am.
How are advanced safety tools like some wearables integrating with AI machine learning to improve workplace safety?
Good question. Smart safety tools like wearable vest or helmet are now integrated with AI to provide real-time monitoring. If the AI detects that a worker is stressed or exposed to dangerous conditions like extreme heat or harmful gases, it sends an alert to both the worker and the supervisor. This will help to take immediate action before a serious issue occurs.
Okay, any next question? Yes.
I have a question for panel number 3.
surrounding. For instance, if a worker is exposed to harmful gas, or if their heart rate becomes too high, the helmet sends an alert to both the worker and the supervisor. This helps prevent accident by giving early warning. In construction, this helmet will save life by alerting workers before dangerous conditions could harm them. That's all from my explanation. I hope my clarification answers your question.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, an esteemed member of our society discover cutting edge tools and technology that enhance workplace safety. Join us as we will explore innovation that boosts safety awareness, prevent hazard, and creates a smarter, more secure, more environment for everyone. Thank you very much, and we look forward to seeing you at our next forum. Assalamualaikum.
Okay, Dan, good.